Hey guys, good morning. So today guys, it's a beautiful early morning. Not the one super early guys, it's around 9 a.m. So today guys, I'm gonna go back to the condo because my agent told me that they're gonna clean the condo. I think they're gonna already install the toilet, install the track lights, tapos they're gonna clean the grease trap guys. So they're gonna clean the whole unit, the grease trap. I think also they're also gonna clean the filters for the aircon. But though feeling ko malamig, malinis man kasi sobrang lamig yung aircon. But yeah, just to make sure, because I don't know when was the exact or the last time that they cleaned the aircon unit. So yun. Then I'm gonna go to Muji, buy some bed sheets and pillows, pillowcases also. Tapos later we'll go to Ikea and look for a rug, siguro a small sofa and a table with chairs. And maybe you guys also suggested on my last on my condo reveal vlog that I should buy plants. So tignan ko if there are fake plants na lang, kasi I don't know if I could take care of real plants, but let's check. And if it's easy naman to take care of real plants, why not, right? So I'll do that later. It's my first time to go to Ikea. It's at Mall of Asia, right? So pupunta tayo doon. And actually I'm here sa Skyway guys, driving. Maganda, walang traffic. Pero Skyway naman normally walang traffic. Normally lang pag rush hour when you exit Makati like Omarsolo or Magallanes, nagkaka-traffic ng konti. But yeah, we're gonna go just check what they're doing with the unit now. And because the last time I was there guys, diba, when they delivered the stuff, medyo madumi yung floors and stuff like that. But now we'll see it nice and clean. And I'm also gonna meet the one who's cleaning it para I could get her contact information para if ever I wanna clean the unit, I'll just call her. Sabi naman ng agency Andrew na reasonable naman yung price niya. So that's always a good thing, diba? So yun guys, I'll see you in a bit. Oh, tingnan mo guys, so ang laki-laki ng bag. Let's press the tingnan mo naman guys, ang laki. Nakakaya. I was bringing this inside, well, outside Muji. So I bought 4 pillowcases, around 1 for each guys. So let's bring it. Thank you Muji, laki-laki. Oh Muji, ang bigat pala. Hindi naman mabigat guys, pero malapad siya. Kasha. Okay. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Ikea. So pababa na tayo actually dito sa, what do you call it? Entertainment City. So exit tayo dito, malapit na tayo sa Ikea. Guys, sa Muji guys, I only bought pillows. The pillows I bought were nice actually, kasi you don't need to buy those pillowcases or covers kasi meron na siyang washable cover, so that saves me a little bit of money. But the thing is, they don't have bed sheets for my bed, and they also don't have blankets for my bed. So I'll try to I have the measurements naman of my bed, yung double bed ko. So I'll try to get here sa Ikea And hopefully, I'm sure guys, you guys suggest it. And I feel that everything's there na rin. So I think I won't have a problem to, to get all the stuff that I need. Kasi medyo kompleto na ako guys. Then later, we'll go to the condo. Now they're basically installing the toilet and also the lights. So tignan natin how it's gonna look. Excited to see it. Konti na lang mabubo na yung place ko where I'm gonna live for quite some time. So yeah, we'll check. I'll try to vlog inside IKEA for you guys and see what they have, what they're selling. Yung mga sofas. I want to get a nice L-shaped sofa, but a small one lang, or a parang 2-seater sofa lang na wala masyadong harang sa side, so I could lie down. Sometimes pag pagod ako, normally I lie down in the couch in my room. So I want something really nice and soft. Hopefully it's not too expensive. And a simple rug would do. So sige guys, nandito na tayo. Kakalampas lang natin ng Okada. So I'll tour you around yan. West Side City on the left side. Then nandito yung Soler on my left as well. So this is a shortcut instead of going to Makapagal. Sometimes kasi sa Makapagal guys, from Skyway, maraming stoplight. So medyo traffic. Dito mas mabilis. So yun, may roundabout. So I'll see you in IKEA guys. There you go guys, IKEA on the right. So hanap tayo ng parking. Saan ba ang parking ng IKEA? Alam ko malapit na tayo guys. Ayun o. IKEA, where is your parking? There you go, more parking. Okay. First time here guys, first time. I'm kinda excited. Kinda lang guys, kinda. Di kasi ako mahilig mag-shop ng furniture, to be honest guys. Hindi talaga, pero it's it's nice to experience this naman. Yan, check sila. Yan guys, nasa parking na tayo ng IKEA. Mukhang maraming tao. Okay. Left turn. Okay, may parking dyan. Oh. Okay. Nakalilinis sila ng kotse. Hanap tayo ng parking. Oh guys, napagod ako. Seryoso, no joke. Guys, I had to carry. Alam mo, mahirap pala sa Ikea guys. Una, ang daming tao. Pangalawa, you have to, kasi guys, I got the sofa. Which I got this pinaka-simpleng sofa guys, to be honest with you. That was the pinaka-simple na sofa. Ang bigat pala. Tapos wala naman tumutulong. You really have to do it. So I really had to carry it guys. Ang bigat. Tapos chairs and tables ilagay ko sa parang trolley nila. So it's quite heavy. It's okay. Good sweat. Parang nag-basketball lang ako. Tapos guys, I got a lot of stuff. Papakita ko sa mamaya. We'll go to the condo. I'm gonna check the lights in the toilet. Kinabit na. Unfortunately guys, nag-crack yung cover ng toilet, yung top lang. And hindi naman kasalanan ng nagdala. Actually, I think it was already cracked when they opened it. So I'll have to go to Home Depot and ask for a replacement. So yun guys, yeah. I'm so tired. I have to go to the condo. Let's see the update sa ilaw and toilet. Yun guys, malapit na tapos oh. I think Friday this gonna open, so in 2 days guys. I think. You know, busy sila. Okay, let's get this guys. And I'll show you what I bought. May flower pa. Bigat. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm back in the room. What a day guys, grabe. Ang hirap pala nito. Adulting talaga. It's okay. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you what I bought sa Ikea. These are just small stuff because the big stuff will arrive on the weekend, kakabit nila, which is the table, chairs, and the sofa. So I got a sofa, small sofa, which lalagay ko dito. So yun naman, papakita ko sa iyo guys what I bought sa Ikea. So you know, anyway, ito pa yun. Look at the lights. I changed the lights, guys. So, these are track lights and they're cool white, 5 watts each. So, tatlo. And also here. Kasi dati, guys, plain lang white siya, parang ganyan. Which papalit ko. Ito rin, nilagyan ko na siya, guys. So, ganda, di ba? It really changed the mood of the room. So, those are 5 watts LED track lights with the track fixtures. Also, here's the room. Dalawa. Yan. So, naka-angle siya. Yung isa nakatapat dito. Tapos yung isa nakatapat here. So, yun. Tapos the new toilets here, unfortunately guys, okay na yung toilet, nag-crack yung cover. So, actually when they opened the box, naka-crack talaga siya. So, I have to go to Home Depot sa Alabang and tell them that what they gave me was a cracked cover. I just got it. Imagine crack. As in total crack talaga. Not even a crack. As in basag. Buti ito ka photo of it. Grabe. Anyway. So yun guys. Malinis na yung condo. They really cleaned it. The grease trap. They cleaned it. Super bango na. I'm so happy. So. Okay. Let's start with what I got. So I got of course hangers. Guys, these are. How much was this? 120 pesos. Mura lang guys for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 120 bucks for 10. Okay, which I got a lot for my clothes. So yeah, hangers. Kailangan natin mga hangers. Okay guys, next on the item, I got this. So these are fake flowers which I'll put on the table. Para may konting flowers pero fake. So let's chuck it here sa bed. Yan. Tapos, I got this, guys. So, this is a carpet for the next to the sofa, which I ordered, which is also kind of gray. So, I got a carpet here. Pwede na, di ba? Simple lang. I don't know how much this was, guys. I think it was around 690 pesos, something like that. So, it's easy to clean. Pretty comfortable. Then, I got containers for the kitchen. So, ito. I got these containers for leftovers and stuff, or pwedeng i-microwave to. Yan. So, containers. We got some containers. Lagyan natin dito. Then, I got a trash bin. So, small trash can. Sakto lang. Right? Black. Para bagay sa ilaw. So, ang ganda ng lights, guys. I'm so happy with the lights, how it turned out. Then, I got different colors of bath. What do you call this? Yung carpet sa bathroom, guys. Next to the toilet. Yan. So, I got gray. Then we have white. Yan, white. Tapos meron tayong green. Diba? Like my shoes, green. Then, we have this kind of like beige. This one was cheap, 120 or 200. No, sorry, 200 each pala. Sorry, 200 each. The bag was 50. Hindi nila libre. Tapos I got candles for the bathroom. So scented siya, mabango, guys. Yeah. I forgot how much was this. But not expensive. Alam mo naman, Ikea, guys, they're not that expensive, to be honest. And the couch I got is not the most expensive couch. It's one of the cheaper ones. But I liked it because it's one of the simpler couches there. Usually. Tapos, I got this, guys. It's a lamp for the table. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, siguro next to the bed. So, itong lamp na to. Tignan natin, buksan natin how it looks like. So yun, guys, this is the lamp. Very simple. I just need to buy a bulb. An LED 5-watt bulb. So ito yung face niya. Yan, kakabit mo lang dito. Tapos may stand lang siya, nakaganon lang siya. So it's perfect. This one was 790 pesos, guys. So nag-on lang ako ng aircon, guys, kasi medyo mainit. Yep, I'm so happy with what I got sa Ikea. It's not a lot. It's, because I have other stuff from the house na dadaling ko, which is on Sunday. If you're watching this, I don't know where I'm going to upload this, baka it's on a weekday. But yes, this is what I bought sa Ikea. And also the pillows at Muji. So, konti na lang kulang ko actually. Siguro bed sheets na lang. And pillowcases. Yun, guys. So, this is the stuff. So, it's just simple stuff. And yeah, the couch is color gray. Bagay dito sa, diba? Bagay dito. So, I'm very happy, guys. I'm very happy, but Ikea is, grabe. You know what's funny, guys? So, ikot ako na ikot, diba? Sa 3rd floor. So, sa 4th floor. I think the 4th floor is like in the showroom area, right? So, this is where you go to the showroom, you look at stuff, tapos you take photos of what you like. Then on the 3rd floor, when you exit, you go to this rack in the section, and you'll know where to find that part, or that chair, or that table, or that sofa. Oh my God, I saw so many guys sitting in the bed and their wives, still shopping. Kasi alam mo naman, babae, di ba? They love shopping for furniture. Most guys I saw there, they were sitting in the bed or in the couch, pagod na sila. Siguro waiting for their wives, their girlfriends. And I'm like, I feel you. I understand. But ako, I had to do it. I had to carry the sofa, guys. Kahit nakabox yan, napakabigat. Tapos yung trolley, basta mahirap, guys. But at least I did it. Then instead of bringing it to the car, delivery ko. And they'll deliver it this weekend. Sila rin magkakabit. Yeah, they charge around 2.5. Yeah, around 2.5 for delivery and installation. So perfect. I'm happy. I'm so tired. I haven't eaten the whole day, guys. I haven't been eating properly for the past week or so. just because of being busy coming here from Alabang to BGC and checking on my unit. Tapos, yeah, the agents, both of them, Andrew and Joseph, have been very attentive. And papakabit ako ng internet in a couple of days para paglipat ko meron ng internet. Alam natin na it's very important, especially with me. If I'm uploading videos, I need the internet. So yun guys, at least it's clean. Konting lagay ng mga gamit and we'll be good to go. And I'll show you when once it's complete na talaga. Yun, kaka-plug lang ng fridge guys actually. And the washing machine kinabit na. So alam niyo, di ba? This is the top load washing. So yung butas na sa baba. Tapos yun, kinabit niya yung fridge. So, yan, lumalamig na siya. Yan. Yes. I'm happy. God is good. Thank you guys for just being super supportive with this channel. We're almost 50,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you and welcoming me to BGC, welcoming me to my new place. Very cozy place of mine, very simple, and I like it that way. I'm just so grateful. And I'll be doing a lot of vlogs about this condo, about the area, where to eat, stuff like that. And also, I'll also be answering your questions you're asking me about paano yung dad ko, I'm leaving in Naba. Hindi. The answer is very simple, no. And I'll explain that in my upcoming vlogs. Tapos si Uni guys will go to Erica. My cat will go to Erica. She'll take care of her. And yeah. Yung mga fishes ko, binigay ko na. A lot of them will go to Fanny. And I'm also gonna vlog about Fanny also soon. Tsaka meron siyang open na business, food business. So lahat ng pagkain na niluluto niya sa bahay, she's gonna cook for the public. So you guys can taste what we are used to eating in the house. She really cooks very well. Chicken adobo tostado from pepper steak. It's sour cream with a lot of pepper, butter. Sarap with beef stock. One of the best dishes with mashed potato. Napakasarap. Anyway guys, yun. This is my view. The Mitsukoshi Mall is opening soon. Ayun na, yung mall. Madumi lang sa labas guys, yung windows. And medyo traffic kasi it's around 8 p.m. So later pa ako uwi ng Alabang guys kasi kanina BGC, back to Alabang to Ikea, which is Pasay, then to BGC. I haven't eaten. Now I'm gonna eat siguro guys sa Landers. And rest content. I'll go home siguro later pag hindi na traffic kasi pagod ako guys. Nakakapagod pala. But it's okay. So we get things done, we feel better about it. So guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Keep safe always and take care. See you in my next one.